Diamond Carat is another one of the 4 C's developed by the GIA in order to help consumers determine the overall value of their diamond. Diamond carat refers to the overall weight of a diamond. Sometimes people get confused and think that carat weight refers to a size. It can, generally speaking, be associated with a certain size of diamond. However, it really goes into that weight. Some things can be cut uniquely and look a lot bigger, but at the end of the day, it comes down to what does it weigh on the scale. The carat weight largely affects the price of your stone. There are many factors, all the 4 C's affect the total price of your stone, but carat weight makes a very big impact on what that final price is going to be. So when people come in and ask about carat size, it's important to remember that a carat size can have, there's no limit to the weight. We can say, do we have 4 carat stones? Yes. 5 carat, 6 carat, 7 carat. The higher carat size you go, I really do recommend trying to stay in alignment from a value perspective, but also high quality perspective. Keep your cut also pretty high. Keep these proportions really crisp, because if you're going to be into a much bigger stone, you want to make sure that you're getting the quality. So, sometimes it's nice to be in a 2 carat stone, but if it's really poor quality, the clarity is really low, it's really cloudy, it's got inclusions, then I wonder if that's ultimately achieving what you want, which is that really crisp 2 carat look. So for clients that ask, hey, Abby, I want to be in a much bigger look. I want a 2 carat look, but I only have a 1 carat budget. My recommendation for saving money, but still getting a high quality stone, is to go slightly smaller in your carat weight, but keep your quality high. So for example, maybe go with a 0.9 carat, even 0.95 carat diamond, so that then you're a little bit under that 1 carat mark. Whenever you get to these metrics of like 1 carat, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, you're going to see some pretty steep price points jump, because that rarity factor, just naturally occurring substance in our earth, that rarity factor really jumps as well. So getting a little bit under that 1 carat, 0.95, is going to save you a little bit of money. Not an extraordinary amount of money, but some. Everything adds up. Another thing I recommend too are accenting this smaller stone with bigger diamonds. Right now we're seeing a lot of trends towards halos, and a lot of these halos, which is essentially a ring of diamonds around the circumference of that stone. It's a really great look because it can give you, a little bit more bold amount of carat weight total. However, you can save some money because you're using small stones as accents, and you're not trying to just, in that 1 center stone, get a 2 carat look.